I posted this video about 5 months ago, how to cloud mine xenblocks for $10 per day. I feel like this could be one of my most overlooked videos I've ever created. I've been doing this since October. I've learned a lot along the way, so I'm going to show you everything that I've learned and explain why I think this could be an amazing opportunity. So this is xenblocks. Essentially, it's a new hybrid blockchain. It's still in the testing phase. Xenblocks, or Xenium, the ticker is XNM, is kind of like the Bitcoin side of the chain where people are mining it. On this tweet, it'll show the halvings and everything. So in total, there will be about 631 million coins. Most of that is mined in the first year, and it continues to drop in half every year after that. So you really want to be mining in these early stages. The first few years are going to get you the best results. You'll also be able to stake your XNM to earn X1 tokens, which is kind of the other half of the chain, where people are using their X1 tokens for smart contracts and doing transactions and things like that, similar to what Ethereum is right now. They're basically doing a lot of research on every other blockchain that exists and trying to create the best blockchain in existence. So it's something to pay attention to for sure. I'm spending about $30 per day right now. I'm getting over 50 blocks here, which is over 500 coins. So we'll just say 520 coins. So $30 divided by 520 equals, I'm paying 5 to 6 cents per coin to mine this. Now let's look at projections of where this thing could go. So I think the most comparable blockchain is Solana. So here's why I'm saying it's comparable. Total supply is 573 million tokens. There's no max supply though, so more tokens are generated and given out as rewards. And also when people stake their Solana, they earn more Solana, which they end up selling. So the xenblocks blockchain is a little different. You stake your XNM, you earn a different token, which is X1, which is like the gas token that you can then sell. So there should be less sell pressure for the XNM token. But you see Solana go to $250. We're right back up there again. You have to remember xenblock has the XNM component, which is like Bitcoin, the security side, and then X1, which is like Ethereum, the smart contract side. So there's going to be double the amount of tokens. So if something like Solana is going to 250 in kind of their first year, I would hope that XNM, these coins that I'm mining, could reach $100 within a few years. I think that's a easily obtainable goal. So I'm mining them at 5 to 6 cents, and my target is $100. That's a 1,666x. Quick note, even if these only go to 10 cents or $1, it still seems like a great opportunity to me. I already have 22,050 tokens. Times $100 would be 2.2 million USD. So this is just something that I believe in and that I'm willing to take the risk on right now. Right now it has zero value. There's no value. It's a test net, but I believe the team can build what they're setting out to build, and they've built great things in the past. So that's what it is. Let me give you the rundown on how to get started. So this is the tracker here. You can come to zen.pub, go to tracker xenblocks, and then type in your Ethereum address, and you'll be able to track just like I am here. Next thing you want to do is click the link in the description. That'll take you directly to the template that I'm using right now that'll allow you to cloud mine these xenblocks. As you can see, I did well here. I was struggling through here, like it wasn't working. I had to figure stuff out, how to make it work. I was blowing money, wasting money, and we got it cooking again right here. So I'm showing you everything. I know exactly how to do it. Yeah, click the link. It'll take you directly to this template. First thing you want to do is come to billing, click add credit, and get some money on your account. It's very simple. Just go through the steps, and then your credit is going to show up here at the top of the screen. You'll see the template right here, xenblocks universal miner. You'll want to click edit image configuration. Click edit right here, and right here, instead of the Ethereum address that's in there, that's whoever designed this template, you're going to want to insert your Ethereum address, and then just scroll down to the bottom, click select and save. Now we're going to go to any, Here's what I've learned. You're gonna see a bunch of different stuff, a bunch of different prices. This host reliability is important to me, so I like to bump this up to 99% because you don't want to be wasting money on junk ones that are just gonna go down. So now we've got reliable. Now there's a score right here. This one's 106. Basically you want your score above 50. Like this one's 21, I wouldn't use that. And then I'm basically using 4090. RTX 4090 is what I've had the most success with. You can play around with different ones, and I'm going to show you how to determine if that is successful or not. So all you want to do is click rent right here. Instance was created, and then we want to go over to instances right here. So you can see I have 3 instances running. I'm not going to show what I'm currently using, but this is the one that I just started. It's already running. And then we can click right here, and then we just want these numbers right here. Next to 8080, you want to copy these numbers. Copy that. I'm just going to open a new tab, paste this in the search bar, and press enter. And it's going to show me the information here. So the hash rate for this one is 162. So this miner that I got is awful. Here's the other miner that I'm using, and this is just the 1X 4090, and I'm at 2,637. So this one probably won't get anything. You want to come back to vast.ai, click this right here, destroy your instance, agree. Come back to search and look for another one. That's pretty much all you can do. The other huge issue that I've ran into is that you get one of these miners, it starts out great, the hash rate is high, then it's like the computer that you rented doesn't work properly, and the hash rate just consistently drops until it doesn't work anymore, and it won't get you any more blocks. It won't mine any blocks. So that's why I keep using the ones that I've found, just because they've been working for me nonstop for days now. So it really is a process of trial and error a little bit. So this is a 1X GPU. You can see 1X right here. And then this is a 2X GPU. You can go to 2X right here. If you want a higher one, you can continue to go higher. For me, I found that 1X is about $10 per day. 2X, it's about $20 per day. Let me clarify that. So that's if you're at these prices that I have in the bottom right. So this is a 1X in the middle, probably about $10 per day. And these other ones are about $20 per day. So you could select a miner that is more or less than these amounts right here. Let me recap this real quick. You're gonna click the link in my description. You'll probably have to create an account, but it's gonna take you directly here. Go to billing, add some credit to your account, and then you want to go to edit image, enter your Ethereum address rather than the one that's in there. And then you want to test these miners, scroll through, click rent. After that, you'll see your miner under instances. Make sure this right here says running. Within probably 1 to 2 minutes, it should set everything up and be running. Then you want to copy that link, come to this screen, and make sure you have a decent hash rate. Remember, your hash rate will be higher if network difficulty is lower. It's like this just dropped from 108 to 106. My hash rate went up a little bit, but you can compare. You can see I'm paying 40 cents an hour to get this right here. And you can just leave this screen up on your computer. If you're not getting blocks or xuni within an hour or two, I would just come in here, destroy your instance, and look for another one and rent a different one and try that out. Xuni, I believe, is like a multiplier if you're staking your XNM. Don't quote me on that, but it's also going to be an important component to the blockchain. Another thing, on this zen.pub page, you can scroll down and see your hourly progress, and this is for all of my miners combined. So I have these 3 miners, and this is showing everything that they're getting combined. You'll also be able to see like the difficulty and stuff over here. And the difficulty really is just like if there's more people mining at that time, or if there's less people mining at that time, it'll go up or down a little. So there's what I know. There's what I'm doing, there's what I'm trying. It's a risk. Right now it's worth nothing, but I believe in this and I think it can be something great. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.